This fire drill is so much fun to play!
Everyone, stop right there! This is a real emergency!
Let us go back and see how this started.
Good morning, students. Today we have a fire drill.
Welcome, everyone. We have special guests visiting our school this morning.
Would you like a tour of the truck?
Wow, that's so cool! Wow! Your fire truck is so big and cool! What do you have inside that big red truck?
Well, let me show you what's in here.
We have water hoses and heavy fire extinguishers inside.
My dad got it! Can I press the loud siren on the truck?
Sure thing, little buddy. Come on over here and take a look.
But
No, Leo. The siren is only for real emergencies.
I will listen carefully to all of your instructions.
It is very important to learn these safety rules.
Please pay attention to the firefighters, boys and girls.
Rule number 1 is to never push your friends. I understand.
I understand. We must walk calmly in a line.
Rule number 2 is to never go back inside.
Not even if I forget my favorite toy car?
Well, that depends. What? No, your toys are not important in a fire.
Always follow your teacher and stay with your class.
We should cover our mouths if there is smoke.
Excellent job, Lily. That will keep your lungs safe.
I want to try the loud alarm right now. Stop, Leo! Don't do that! Wow, it works! So cool! Oh no, what have you done?
Leo, please do not touch the alarm bell yet.
The drill will start in a few minutes, students.
I feel a little nervous about the loud bell. It's okay, Lily. We'll be fine.
Do not worry, Lily. We are completely safe here.
We are ready to start the practice fire drill.
I will turn on the alarm bell right now.
Look! The bell is ringing so loudly right now.
Class, line up quickly and walk to the yard.
Come on, little boy. Hold my hand and walk. Thank you, Lily. I am scared of the sound.
You are very brave and helpful today, sweet Lily.
Wow! Look at the lights on the fire truck.
Keep walking, students. Stay together and do not run. Everyone is doing a great job following the rules.
We are almost outside in the big schoolyard. This is just like a fun parade for us.
Excuse me, I smell something burning in the back. What do you mean? This is only a drill.
The storage room is sparking! There is real smoke! Attention, everyone! Please listen carefully! This is not a drill!
Oh no! We must move further away from here.
I am so scared. Is the school burning down? No, we're safe. It will be okay.
Stay calm, children. The firefighters are here to help.
Team, grab the water hoses and put on gear.
Please keep all the children safe in the yard.
I need to go back and get my blue backpack. Leo! Wait, it's too dangerous. Leo! Please come back here right now! It is dangerous! This is just a practice game. I will be fast.
Stop right there, little boy! You cannot go inside now. It's not safe.
But my favorite backpack is still inside my empty classroom.
In a real fire, your backpack is never more important.
I am so sorry. I thought it was a drill.
It's okay, son. You didn't know.
You must always listen to the safety rules, young man. Where is my son? Is everyone safe from the fire?
Ma'am, please.
Tell me.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Please stay calm, madam. All the students are perfectly safe.
I am so glad you are okay, my dear boy.
I was so worried about you and your sister today.
I am sorry for making you worry so much, Mom.
Thank you so much for saving our children, brave firefighters. We are just doing our job to keep everyone safe.
The firefighters are true heroes in our city, right, Dad?
They certainly are, Lily.
Yes, they are, Lily.
Yes, they are, Lily. They work very hard every day.
Turn on the water now! We need to move fast!
Look at that strong water hitting the burning storage room! Ha! The thick smoke is finally going away into the sky. They are working together to stop the big bad fire.
The fire is completely gone. Our school is safe now.
Let us give a big round of applause for them. Yay!
Yay! You saved our beautiful school from the scary fire.
Children, always treat every fire alarm like a real emergency.
We should never go back inside to get our toys.
That is correct. Your life is the most important thing.
I will never run back inside the building ever again.
You must stay calm and follow your teachers outside quickly.
Being calm helps everyone stay safe during a scary time.
You are a very smart and helpful girl, little Lily.
Thank you for teaching us these important, life-saving rules.
Now, who wants to see the big red fire truck?
I want to see the long water hose up close. Whoa, look at that thing.
Come here, kids. I will show you how this works.
The water hose is very heavy for my small hands. I feel like a real firefighter holding this big hose. Yeah, you do. You're awesome.
All right, everyone, gather round. Let's take a class picture with our brave heroes.
Everyone smile and say cheese for the big camera now.
Cheese! We love the brave firefighters of our great city!
I have a special certificate for a very brave student.
Wow, is that special certificate really for me today, sir?
Yes, Lily. You helped your friends stay calm and safe.
I promise to follow all the safety rules from now.
I am so proud of both of my wonderful children.
It is time for us to go back to work.
Goodbye, heroes! Thank you for coming to our school today! We will always remember the important lessons you taught us.
Kids, what is the most important rule during a fire?
Tell us in the comments and subscribe to our channel. Yeah!